Hi everybody. Today I'm going to tell you what is the distance, displacement, speed, and the velocity. Okay, first let's start with the distance. Distance is the total length an object traveled and it has no directions. Imagine you are walking around a large park. No matter which path you take, the total length you walked is the distance, and the distance is a scalar, uh, and which means it only has a magnitude and no directions. If you walk 3 kilometers in a path, your distance is 3 kilometers. Distance simply measures the length of the path taken without considering where you started or ended up. Okay, the next let's discuss the displacement. Displacement is different from distance because the displacement is a vector and it has both magnitude and direction. Displacement considers uh, only considers where you started and where you ended up, and not a path you took in between. For example, you started at your home, walked around, and return your home. Your displacement it will be 0, even though you walked a long distance. In simple terms, the displacement is a straight line between a starting point to the end point, with the specific direction. Okay, now we know what's the difference between the distance and the displacement. Now let's move on to the speed. Speed is a rate at which an object moves over a certain distance. The speed is a scalar like distance, meaning it only has the magnitude and no directions. Speed tells us how fast an object is moving. For example, if a car traveled at 16 kilometers per hour, and that is speed. It doesn't matter whether the car is moving north, south, east, or west. The speed is still 16 kilometers per hour. Speed is useful for knowing how quickly something is moving, but it doesn't tell us anything about its directions. Finally, let's talk about the velocity. Velocity is similar to the speed, but with an important difference. The velocity is a vector, so it has both magnitude and the direction. Velocity describes how fast an object is moving and in what direction. For instance, if the car is moving at 60 kilometers per hour to the east, and its velocity is 16 kilometers per hour east. The direction is essential here because unlike the speed, velocity changes if the direction changed. If the car turns and starts moving west at the same speed, the velocity has changed because the direction has changed, even though the speed remains the same. Okay, now let me to summarize. First, the distance is the total path length, no directions. The displacement is a straight line from start to the end with a direction. And the speed is how fast something moves with no directions. And the velocity is speed with a direction. Okay, and that's all the thing of this video. Thank you for your listening.